Hi guys, this is Rahul Prajapati. Very good morning to all of you and thanks for joining me again at pre-market analysis. Good expiry day for option sellers as there was only 100 points movement for Nifty after a gap up opening. We have seen a bit of volatility in the last couple of hours as Nifty closed around 15,693. Nifty made another all-time high that is 15,705. Now, talking about the Bank Nifty specifically, we have seen volatility in the afternoon session. Bank Nifty shows a movement from the lows of 35,400 to 35,700. That's almost 300 points movement in a last couple of hours. Now, closed on a positive note, but unable to breach 35,700. So now, looking at the current scenario, we can see a bit of underperformance from the Bank Nifty side as compared to the Nifty. Now, let's talk about what to expect from the market today. Looking at the SGX as of now, so it could be a flat opening, a bit of negative side of 20 points. That's all. So bias is only above the positive side as of now. Now, talking about the OI analysis, we have seen good addition on the call of 15,700 yesterday and 16,000 call option also. Uh, Talking from the put option, we can see put addition having addition happening across all the major strike prices, specifically OTM call put options, right? Now, talking about the levels as of now, 15,700 could be working as immediate resistance for market. Even though we have addition of 50,800 and 900 also, but we have highest addition on 16,000, so that could be a immediate resistance now talking about the market for this particular expiry. So for range, again, 500 points range for this expiry. So 16,000 and 50,500 could be a good level. Now, talking about the Bank Nifty, yesterday we have discussed about Bank Nifty. So now market able to sustain above 35,700. Now immediate resistance could be working as 36,000, which have the highest OI as of now. On the downside, 35,500 has the addition of put addition also, right? So that could be an immediate support. So for this expiry, bit of small range, but we can expect this 500 points range. You can see 35,000 put option also has the highest addition. It's approximately same to the 35,500. So these two level could be a good support level. Now talking about the top gainer and loser, Volta's gains yesterday. Probably we have discussed about the Muthoot Finance yesterday. We have seen shows of the strong build-up happening in this particular stock and breakout. So this stock gave another 6% move. Titan again after 6 month breakout. So that's another good breakout. Motherson Sumi IndusInd Bank and Navin Florence shows a negative side. Now, major contributors yesterday again a private bank. So there was a we have seen a contribution from the across all the sectors specifically. The major was basically from the private sector bank specifically. Now, sectoral build-up, we have seen major additions specifically in the telecom and FMCG. Or auto ancillaries basically on the short side, long unwinding happening on pharma and few on the short coverings. Now talking about the stock we have discussed, probably day before yesterday we have discussed about the ONGC also. We have seen the cluster happening on long build up happening on this particular stock, and it is forming a base around 115 levels. Now yesterday the stock is given a breakout with a good long build up. Now talking about the levels for this particular stock, 125 is the immediate resistance. Even though after this move we haven't seen a huge unwinding on 120, but still the highest twice is 120. Now, talking about the levels specifically, I can see 130 levels coming up in this particular stock. Downside 120 or 115 could be working as a good support level. Now, the second stock is Titan. We have seen a almost 6 month breakout in this particular stock, and a bit of dull movement. Yes, few sessions before, but yesterday we have seen a good build up. So support on the breakout. That's a good level now. Now talking about the support resistance as of now by looking OI front. So 1700 is the immediate resistance we can see. So I can expect 1800 levels coming up in this particular stock if this is stock able to sustain above 1700 levels. Now we have seen 1650, 1640 and 1600 call unwinding, a lot of call unwinding. Talking about the put side, we have 1600 added a huge put addition, so could be a support level now. So range could be 1800 to 1600 for this particular stock. Now, as we have seen across, the last whole week, there was dull activity from the FIIs, specifically from the, index future and stock futures specifically. Now, talking about the ban list, PNB again, sale Sun TV and Bank Baroda, these are the stock trading in the ban list. Bank Baroda's market-wide position limit is somewhere on 80s. Could be a possible exit, but we have to see how this stock behaves now. Now the key points that we discussed, 16th for Nifty, we are talking about the 16,000 on the upside, 50,500 on the downside. So as of now, max pain is 50,650, so could be in between. Bank Nifty again 500 points range. So max pain is again at the support specifically. So long build up specifically on the FMCG and telecom. Auto ancillaries shows the short build up. The stock we have discussed ONGC and Titan. So ONGC 130 and 120 could be the resistance and support respectively. Now talking about the Titan, good breakout actually. So we can expect a good upside movement. So 1800 could be the immediate level as of now. On the downside, 1600 could be good support. Sun TV, PNB, Sale and Bank Baroda are on the ban list. So guys, that's all from our side. Thank you for tuning into pre-market analysis. This is Rahul Prajapati signing off. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good trading day. Thank you.